If you create trims with head and tail sections for Trimflow with Z-Shot, you are going to be excited about this update. You can now create a special canvas that helps capturing your trim. Adjust the canvas in edit mode to fit your pattern. Don't forget to leave a little space around the borders. Then move the two vertical edges on the x-axis to define the tiling area of the pattern. By using this little tool, you no longer need to calculate head and tail sizes by yourself and enter the values manually in Trimflow's trim properties. The sections to the left and right of the tiling area are the head and the tail. Their relative size is displayed in the viewport and in Z-Shots panel once you switch back into object mode. Give the pattern a name, and once you render the image, Z-Shot will automatically write the given information into a JSON file that Trimflow can read and store it along with the image. Once the trim has been rendered and the JSON file written, it is ready to be used with Trimflow. If you own both Z-Shot and Trimflow, you should absolutely try this out. Thanks for watching.